hole. She'll be cleaned up in a second. Anyways, so we're gonna do a nighttime routine with 2 small crabby children. This is the day before they actually go to preschool. Tomorrow's Tuesday. They go Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays to preschool. So I have to get ready to make sure that tomorrow morning is flawless and easy. And she's so tired. First thing we needed to do was to pick up all of the stuff that we kind of left on the floor, and my daughter made a huge mess in her room. So here she is trying to put her dress back onto her hanger so she can hang it in her dress pile. And next she's gonna take all of those stuff that she's got on the floor, she's gonna put it back in the bin, she's gonna hide everything back into the closet where it's supposed to be, so that way we can get the vacuum in there later tonight and clean out the space. Yeah, flip it over, put your socks back in there. I didn't show my daughter finishing up, but she put all of that stuff away. Then we came downstairs. My son and my husband were watching a X-Men movie, and I was just gonna start tidying up downstairs to get some stuff situated. In there.
Are you blind already?
No, I'm not blind. Are you blind? Our sink was full. We had so many dishes piled up, and that was the next thing that I needed to tackle. I had to wash all the dishes and get the counters decluttered. We just had so much food everywhere. I had cooked dinner. I had made chicken alfredo with broccoli earlier in the pressure cooker, which by the way is awesome. And it only took 15 minutes and turned out amazing. But anyways, I had to clean up all of those dishes, get the pressure cooker situated, put it away, and make sure the kitchen downstairs bar area was tidy. So the metal pot that goes inside the pressure cooker that you put your food in, I had to actually soak that for about 2 to 3 hours in just some hot water. And then I took the there's like a pressure lid at the top and like a seal, so I took that off, washed that, and made sure to wipe down any moisture from the actual lid before putting it away. So I wanted to clean the surface of the refrigerator and just a little bit of the inside, and what I used here is the lavender scented Method spray, and then I have just pure rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. It is my disinfectant. I have been using this long before the pandemic. It's been my holistic way of cleaning surfaces, and I totally recommend this on like metal surfaces and hard non-porous surfaces. I would never use this on anything that's painted because it will literally strip the paint right off. But it's great for countertops, for glass, for just like stainless steel. And the reason I do it after I use the Method is that the Method leaves streaks all over the refrigerator, and then the rubbing alcohol leaves the refrigerator sanitized and streak free. Next, I spray down and sanitize the countertops, and then I had to fold my kids' blankets and pillows for preschool so that it's ready for the next day. I had to also prepare my daughter's shoes, or her slippers, to take back to school, and then get the payment for the preschool situated so I can just have everything ready in the morning and be ready to head out the door without having to worry. So So for my kids' school payment, the way that I do is I take an envelope, I write their names first and last, I write the amounts that are due for each individual child, I write the days that they're going to be going, and I write the entire total that I've paid for that week, which is the entire payment. That way it's easy for both of us to track and tally and know that payments are being made on time. So I went back upstairs and I put the Roomba back on to do all of my vacuuming, and I decided to tidy up some of the living space. I threw the runner back where it's supposed to be, put some of the shoes away, then got into the kitchen and wanted to tidy up the kitchen, put all the paperwork in one pile, get rid of any trash that was on the counters, clear off the countertops, and just spray it down. Here I was actually using the Method grapefruit spray and use that to just clean the counters. I really am such a huge fan of the Method sprays. I think they smell amazing and they make the house smell really good. Next, I just wanted to wipe down underneath the TV, the glass. It looked a little dusty, just give it a quick wipe. And then also put my husband's shoes away on the side of the stops, and then kind of throw down our shoes. I have to say though, this entire cleaning probably took me about 35 minutes to like 40 minutes. Honestly, it took me a little bit longer because I was recording, but this was just a very fast clean because I did not have time the next day to kind of do the daily chores. And then I just came into the upstairs bathroom and started putting away some of the products into the basket that you see over on the left side and wiping down those counters so they are a little bit nicer and neater. I also had to empty out the trash because I was going to take out all of the trash before I went to bed, and the trash guy was coming the next day. It has been going for 5 minutes. Look at that fur. Yep, that's what it's like having a German Shepherd Husky mix. I didn't. So dump it and get refilled again. So my kids were finally showered and they went to bed. And after they went to bed, I came downstairs and I wanted to just tidy up some of the mess in the family room area, put away some of the toys, fold the blankets really fast, and make sure that that space is a lot cleaner for the next day. Lastly and most importantly, I had to clean up and put away some of those toys that you see all over the floor everywhere. I feel like they are such a trip hazard, and I mean, they're going to kill me one day, I swear to you. So I had to just kind of put them away where they belong and just make sure that the floors are so much cleaner. So if you guys enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd be super grateful. I also want to hear from you. What is your nighttime routine? Are you consistent with it? Because I am not necessarily the most consistent person with nighttime routine. Or do you prefer to clean in the morning like I do sometimes? Let me know in the comments below.